Remain seated till the train stops complete. When stopped, push down and pull up on the left. Unbuckle your seatbelt and exit carefully to your left. Remember to pick up your items and enjoy the rest of your day at Lake Compounce. Boarding.
Please make sure to fasten your seatbelt before lowering your restraint. It will make the process a lot faster for you guys to get out of here.
Please put them on the exit side of the station. Lake Compounce is not responsible for loss.
Gates are closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look down on your left. While riding, keep your arms and legs inside the train at all times.
All clear means you guys are out of here. When I say Boulder, you say Dash. Boulder Dash!